Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to add the sign in and sign out button to your Next.js application using Clerk. We will go step by step from setting Clerk to integrating the button right into your app and so that user can log in and log out with ease. Let's get started. So let's move on to the Visual Studio Code. So here we have reached out to our app, and in this I am going to tell you how we can add the sign in and sign out button. First, we want to create a separate component so that we can include that but on both the button in that for it. So first of all, click on source folder and in source folder create a separate folder with the name components. And in this component I'll create a separate file with the name authentication.jsx and paste some code over here. And here you can see that in this file, you can see that I have created the function authentication. In this, you can see a NextJS app and the div class name where we are going to implement our sign in button. So as we have already created that authentication component, so we need to implement this particular component to our layout.jsx where all the page rendered. So go to the layout.js file inside that folder, and after body you can call the authentication component over here. So press enter and you can see on top that authentication component has been implemented successfully from the component folder. So if you go to the browser, so here you can see easily that your nextjs.app is already shown here. So now on the right hand side, I am going to implement the first of all the sign in button. So let's do that. So here for that we have to go to the authentication.jsx component which we have built. Now we call the component with the name sign in button, which we called from the Clerk Next.js. Okay, so you have to type sign in. As you type sign in button, so here you can see that sign in button is already shown to you in a suggestion box, and it is already coming from Clerk Next. So you have to select this. So in this on the top you can see that sign in button is coming from Clerk Next.js. Now as the sign in button has been covered, so in what format you have to open your dialog flow where you are going to log in that particular application. So for that I am taking a mode with the name model. So what this mode is equal to model do. So actually when you click on the button, the sign in details you can see on the same page with the help of model. Let me show you how I'm going to let me show you what I'm saying. That now I already included sign in button from the Clerk Next.js and mode is equal to model. So go to the browser. So here you can see on the right hand side you have the sign in button. So when you click on sign in, so here, so you can see that your model. The mode is equal to model which I already taken there in the code itself. That mode is equal to model. So all the sign in model, all the sign in to authentication demo is shown in the model format. Okay. So if you click from here itself, you can go to the sign up detail. So here you can create your account if you don't have any account, and so this how you can implement. And if you want to go back to the sign in, you have to click over here. That if you already have an account, click on sign in, and the sign in model details you can fill over here and log into window. Now log into the application. Now close from here. Now already I show you how the sign in works. Now let's going to implement the sign out button. Okay, go to the code. So for this, what we have to call, as I have already called a sign in button, we also have the sign out button for in Next.js. So in Clerk actually. So here you can see sign out button. Click on sign out button. So in sign out button, you have to close it and close this. Now go to the browser. So here you can see sign in and sign out button. But currently they are not working because sign in button already we are not logging to any application currently, and on sign in we are just planning over here how all the things will work. We didn't just log in. I'm just want to show you how we can implement the sign in download button. And currently the UI has not been changed because we are not logging to this particular we are not logging to the window or the application. So in the next video, I'm going to tell you how we can add the profile setting or how we are going to log in. In the next video, we are going to finding this particular app and show you the profile setting over there. So in this video, we already show you how we can easily add sign in and turn out button to your Next.js app using Clerk. With just a few lines of code, you have given your users a simple and secure way to log in and log out. In the next video, we will take this further and work on adding a profile setting page so user can manage their account details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more Next.js and Clerk tutorials. Thank you.